like 5 books, an iPad, and 2 phones, and we finally find the diagram we need.
Sort of.
Sort of. That calls the group number we sort of need.
Yeah, at least gives us that information.
To bust out the parts book.
What it doesn't tell you is
what order it goes through the core support. So much fucking fun. But hey, we're getting there.
So let's see if this part number is anything else.
GTO core support fun time.
So I think what happens is I think this bushing goes up through that hole. That bushing slides down on top of it. We're missing the big washer, so once that comes, this big washer will go down here, the bolt, and then we'd have a series of shims here, and then this is our captured nut basically.
That retains it.
So, and it's got these little tabs on it that locks it in that hole.
In the frame.
In the frame.
And then that sits our height.
So, yeah, so we can shim there to get the height. That'd be kind of interesting.
Which was really fun looking for.
Yeah.
Because there's no information anywhere. And the exploded diagram doesn't show it. Nothing shows it.
No.
You found one guy's pictures on the internet and they were iffy at best.
Yeah.
So when we assemble this, it's going to have its own video. Oh yeah, and we're fancy. We're using ARPs. Because everything else is held on with stainless ARPs. Why not? We need to replace those with ARPs.
What, these?
Yeah.
And these other ones behind here. These hokey ones.
It's funny, usually I'm like, ooh, grade 8. Right now it's like, it's supposed to be ARP now.
Yeah, that's not that big a deal though. You want to actually see those.
You won't see it, but it'll partially annoy you and I.
Need to order those things.
The new rubbers. Once we get it set. And you got new ones of these. They're in the kit.
Yeah.
Well,
so we're kind of dead on the water without the shims.
But those are ordered, so we'll have those.
Those guys will
Under the back of the GTO, I just loosened up our rear bumper. So Wick and I are gonna pop our tail lights and all that stuff in. Get that all together. And yeah. Ooh, look. See? Pretty body mounts. Anyway. So we're gonna get our lights in the back here. Get that wrapped up. And see where we go. Alright. All our tail lights are in. Our bulbs are in. Shit's routed. This fucker up here where it belongs. Get in there, you son of a bitch. You son of a bitch. Nice. Put the bumper back up.